And for our last video, we are going to look at the foot. We are going to look at the rotating 360 model. We are going to then go to the mouse over model, identify the bones. So, again, like the hand, I typed it out instead of giving you bullet lists, but it's the same idea. You're finding all the bones of the foot. So you start with the inferior view. I flipped it around to the superior view. The foot bones are made up of 7 tarsals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5 metatarsals, and 14 phalanges. Again, there is a proximal row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a distal row, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is the distal one, and the hallux, or big toe, is missing the middle phalange, but the other 4 toes, 1, 2, 3, 4, have middle phalanges. Now, I always think the bones of the foot are a lot easier and a lot more distinct than the bones of the hand. So hopefully you agree. Our heel bone right here is called the calcaneus. The calcaneal tendon is going to be attached to it. And the bone sitting on top of it is the talus. The talus is articulating with the tibia. The tibia is directly on that, I guess it's an orchid or violet or purple dot. The lateral malleolus of the fibula is going to be there. The medial malleolus of the tibia is going to be there. And then this is the navicular. This is the first row. I've actually looked up if the calcaneus is 2 bones that fused, and I can't find anything about that, but look how big it is. So that's why we're missing a bone, is this is so big. Now, this row, these are cuneiforms. This is the medial cuneiform. This is the lateral cuneiform. This is the intermediate cuneiform. In your lab book, I abbreviated them, and I get abbreviated answers, so please write out the whole answer. Then this is a cube, so they called it the cuboid. So that is the bones of the foot. Thank you.